With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the whole scheme of transfer of electrons starting from PS2 uphill to the acceptor, then downhill to the electron transport chain, then to the PS1, the excitations of the electrons transfer to another acceptor, and finally downhill to the NADP molecule, causing it to be reduced to NADPH and H plus ion is called as. So here we have a representation of the entire process which is written in this question. So this part of it is the PS2, which is having a slightly lesser redox potential as compared to the PS1, which is drawn slightly up for that matter. Now this is going to absorb the light energy. It will get excited. The electrons are transported to a chain of electron transport system which consists of cytochromes. Then it is transferred to the molecule, the PS1, that is a light harvesting complex. Here also the light energy is falling. The electrons will get excited. They will move to a molecule of cytochrome again, and then they will again move downhill and transfer it to the NADPH molecule, NADP molecule, to make a NADPH molecule. So ultimately the electrons which were formed in the PS2 system are lost to a molecule of NADPH finally. So that means this is a type of a Z scheme which is also called as a non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Now non-cyclic photophosphorylation means the electrons which are lost once, they will not be regained back because these electrons are now lost to a molecule of NADPH. They are not recirculated back. The non-cyclic photophosphorylation, here now there will be shortage of electrons occurring in the PS2 system, and due to which now in the lumen of the thylakoid there will be this reaction taking place where 4 H plus ions are formed, 4 electrons, and oxygen evolution takes place. So evolution of oxygen here takes place, because of which now the electrons will move to the PS2 to compensate for the loss. 4 H plus ions will remain in the lumen of the thylakoid for the which helps in creating a proton gradient for the synthesis of ATP, and this oxygen is evolved out. So this entire process is called as a Z scheme, whereas the oxidative phosphorylation means the electron transport chain which occurs after the Krebs cycle in the mitochondrial matrix, whereas the cyclic photophosphorylation occurs in the stromal lamellae only with the help of PS1, where ATP is synthesized. So ATP is made or created here, while PCR cycle is polymerase chain reaction. So all these three options are the wrong options here. So the right answer for this is Z scheme. This is because of the shape of this graph which looks like a Z. So that is why the name Z scheme is given to this. So our option number 4 becomes the right answer for this question. So let's mark this down. So this is option number 4. So this is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.